Hey Baes, it's Rissa May. And today I'm going to be showing you how I pack for a trip. I'm going to Wyoming this weekend with my friend and her family. So I'm very excited, and I have a little secret to share with y'all. I am a master packer because I always have a packing list. I have a note in my phone for any trip I go on. I have a list of things that I need to bring and pack. And if I have any extra things that I need to bring, then I put them at the bottom of the list so I know that I pack everything. So here's a picture of my packing list that I use every single time I go somewhere. So I wanted to show you how I pack, what to bring, especially when you're going to a cabin. And I don't really know what the weather is like there, but we're just gonna wing it and see what happens because we have lots of options here and they all fit in this teeny tiny suitcase. So I'm going to show you how I pack. So the first thing you need is clothes for every day. So we have X amount of shirts, which is 3 because I'm going to be there Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And then I have 2 pairs of jeans and 2 pairs of shorts because I don't know what the weather is going to be like. And this gives me pretty good odds that I will be able to dress to whatever the weather is like. Then I have a dress for Sunday, and we're also going to the temple while we're there, and a pair of sandals to go with my dress. And I'm bringing my swimsuit just in case because I don't know what we're going to be doing exactly. Here's all of my underwear. I have enough socks for every day plus 1 pair, and then I have a pair of long socks for if my feet get cold at night. And then I have a sleeping bra because I don't like sleeping without a bra when I'm around people, and my regular bra, and then a pair of underwear for every single day plus 1 just in case. And then I have a hoodie in case it gets cold. I have a long sleeve in case it gets cold. And these are my pajamas. And then you just clip it all up. And that's the clothes side. The next side of my suitcase is where all of my toiletries go. So I have my toothbrush, my mouthwash, my toothpaste, and ear cleaners. What are those called? Q-tips, if I need them, in the same bag so that everything in here is only getting dirty with stuff that goes in my mouth. And then these are covered with a case, so it doesn't really matter where those go. This one is all my shower stuff, so it has my face wash, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash with my razor, and then my deodorant and my moisturizer. And I only bring 1 moisturizer. Some people will bring 2, like lotion and face moisturizer, but I just use this for everything when I'm traveling because it's more efficient that way and it takes up less space and it's still good for everything. So, and then in here I have the pills that I have to take every day. And then this little baggie has hair elastics and bobby pins and an extra hair tie, even though I already have one, just in case I want to do something different with my hair. My hairbrush and my makeup bag. And then clip it in. And then in this little extra pocket, I have my journal and a pen, just in case I want to write any of my experiences down. I have my watch charger, my phone charger, and my glasses. And then this is the waiver that I have to take for the cabin, so I'm just gonna stick that in there. Just zip it up. And usually on trips I like to change out my white pillowcase for a different color pillowcase, just so that my white ones don't get dirty, and if my hair and my face are all gross, you won't be able to see it as much. So there's my pillow. And then in my little purse, which I will take in the car with me on this 4 or 5 hour drive, my wallet, which has my driver's license, my debit card, my temple recommend because we're going to the temple, and just like a little bit of cash in case I need it, my sunglasses, and a new pack of gum. I have my AirPods in case I want to listen to music. Then always remember your water bottle anywhere you go because you never know if you're going to get thirsty, and you never know if they'll have water bottles to provide for you. So, and I'm off to Wyoming. there's so much to say about this, but that quilt was on the bed, and she goes, "You probably want to take that off because there's a lot of mouse poop in there." Can we just? And then on the way up here, she was like, "Oh, watch out for the dead wasps on the stairs. They're like this big. Are you kidding?" And then they're like, "Oh yeah, there's the moths, and they're like this big. I swear on my life." And then she's like, "Oh yeah, we've seen them the size of like bats here." And I'm like, and then we were getting out. Do you hear that tapping? That's the moths trying to get in. You. We were bringing in stuff from the car, and I totally got bit by something already. And when I put my flashlight down on my leg, it was black and it was big. I have no idea what it was, but it bit me, and it was huge. And I was like, "Oh, I just got bit." And she was like, "Welcome to Wyoming." Reading everything that I say, she's like, "Welcome to Wyoming." And I'm like, "Bro, Wyoming is on crack. I don't want to be here." Anyways, that's all I had to say. Okay. Okay, I put my shoes back on because I am not walking around here without shoes. There's a freaking spider on the wall. And look at all those moths. Absolutely not. Look how tiny this temple is. Look how gigantic the Angel Moroni looks on top of it. That's cray cray.